Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this video. I'm PVS Tutor, your best online tutor. And in this video, I have a question in biology that came in 2023, paper 2. And the question says, figure 2 represents a lysopus growing on bread. I don't know if you can read this properly, but it's the best version I have. Alright, so we have a G, F, and E. Then we have the splangium, and we've got bread. So before I even go anywhere, whatever is happening here is just nutrition. And this is nutrition in plants. Okay? Remember that there are two types of nutrition. We've got autotrophic and heterotrophic. While auto, it means something can make its own food. For example, the photosynthesis, those that are able to make food from the sun. Okay, we call them the phototrophs. Those are just organisms. Then you also have the heterotrophs type of organisms, like our friend here. Okay, the saprophyte. Identify the part labeled F, G, and H. What is E? E here is our what? What's it? What's the name? That's a sporangio. That's a sporangiophore. F, now I just want to mention something. E and this friend of ours here and F, they are all called the hyphae. All of them, they are called what? The hyphae. So we've got the vertical ones, the horizontal, those are all called hyphae. And F is still the stolon. The one we are also calling the hyphae. And G, those are the spores. Okay. Sorry, this one is not the lysot. Sorry, just a minute. This one is the. Why did I write like that? Where? It's F1 or rhizoidine. Okay, we're good to go. I thought we were talking about this one. Sorry. Now B1, state the type of nutrition found in the organism. 2, like I said, this is a saprophyte, so it undergoes saprophytic type of nutrition. So saprophytic nutrition. Explain how the nutrition identified in B1 is brought about. So how is it brought about? 3 marks, so 3 points are key here. The first one is when the lysopus releases digestive enzymes into the substrate. We are seeing the rhizopus releases digestive enzyme into the substrate. Like that. That's the first thing. Number 2, after these enzymes are released into the substrate, you know that they are going to act on that substrate. So we're saying the enzymes, they now break down what? That substrate into soluble ones. So enzymes break down complex organic matter into simpler soluble substances. Another mark there. Number 3, what happens then? Those soluble substances, once they have been formed, they have to be absorbed by the hyphae. So the soluble nutrients or substances, there's no problem, are absorbed by the hyphae. Boom. 3 points, 3 marks in the bag. Describe the importance of the nutrition in the lysopause to the environment. So 2 marks, 2 points. And it's the description. That means each description can take up to 2 lines. You see how easy it is. So the first description will take these 2, the other one these 2. Because we are describing. It's like we're trying to explain again a little bit like that. All right. So the first thing, that it helps in the decomposing of organic matter. It helps in the what? Decomposing of organic matter. Okay. For example, recycling. Another one is that it also this nutrition, it also helps in, it prevents, yes, the accumulation of dead organic matter. Prevents the accumulation of dead organic matter. Now I want just to classify something. The question is not asking about the importance of the rhizopus itself. It's asking about the nutrition which is in the rhizopus now to the environment. Okay, not to you as a person, but specifically to the environment. So that idea of saying it's food, how is that food to the environment? All right. Mainly you eat this, yes, as human beings, but we are not talking about the rhizopus itself, you eating it. No. We are talking about it, the nutrition which that rhizopus now undergoes. What is its importance to the environment? We know that rhizopus, they are going to feed on dead and decaying matter. Now, as they feed on this dead and decaying matter, they are preventing their accumulation in the environment. All right. Number 2, in as much as they are feeding on those dead decaying matter, they are decomposing them in the process. All right. In short, they are helping in the recycling of the nutrients, which is important in the environment. The issue of food in your mind, remove it. The question was talking about to the environment and and that nutrition, not the rhizopus itself to the environment or to you. And it's good that they specified, they said to the environment. Otherwise, if it was open, well, the issue of food could have come about. Okay, so these are not the final answers, by the way. I always say read the notes, study, research. There are a lot of reasons why these are important, and so these are important. Go deeper. I can make 1 or 2 mistakes here, but I'm human. I'm just here to guide you on what you're supposed to do and there. So please, these are not my final answers. All right. And if you are not okay, go and research. That's why you are a pure student. That is your job. Research. I'm just giving you here ideas, trying to help you one another.